Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So this is the reveal video for Close-Ups episode 2. So if you haven't seen yesterday's video, go back, watch that first, because this one here will have the answers. You may want to have a bit of fun and have a guess, and then you don't have to wait a day like everyone else. You can go and watch this video straight afterwards. Alright guys, let's get into it. So this was the first coin that we had up on the screen. We've got 5 coins to go through. And 5 reveals. So this is the first one, and it was the 2003 Making a Difference $1 coin. So if we look back there, we've got this shape here, which is Tasmania. So that's probably the easiest one out of this lot. Hopefully you guys were able to work that one out. Alright, let's move on to the second one. Did you work this out? Was this easy? Let me know in the comments. When I'm looking at it now, it's very easy, but when I took the photo, I thought I was being a little bit more challenging. But was I? Did you guys get it? Here it is. It's the 2001 so Donald Bradman 20-cent coin. And we focused in on this sort of area here, so of the pads. Of the cricket pads. So hopefully you got that one. Alright, number 3 was this one here. What's going on here, guys? What can you see going on here? Let's reveal. Look at that one there. So it's the 2013 centenary of Canberra. There is so many areas that I could have picked on this particular coin. I tried to pick a little bit more difficult spot. To be honest, I'm not sure where I actually took that photo. Let's go back. Okay, we've got that sort of wavy part there and that part there. Let's have a look at that. Looks like it was in here. So that's the portion that I took, but yeah, could have taken photos from anywhere, but hopefully that part there tricked you. But well done if you worked it out. Alright, so that was number 3. So number 4. Alright guys, I'm interested to know whether you worked this one out. This is a little bit different, and if you're aware of what it is, well done. I think I did leave this section here in, just to try and help a few of you. With it, just this section may have been a little bit more difficult, but with this hopefully it helped out a little bit. And let's reveal what this one is. There it is. So it's the Royal Visit, year 2000, and the section that we took a photo of was this small section here on the bust. So the necklace of Queen Elizabeth. So that section there. Well done if you picked that one up. All right, and one more for this video, and let's have a look at what that was. All right, so hopefully you can tell by the color which type of coin this is. That helps to narrow it down a bit. So which coin was it? There we have it. It's the year 2002 Year of the Outback $1 coin. Now I'm fairly sure I took a photo somewhere in that section there. Let's go back to that. Yes, I did. So yeah, just in that section there is where I took that one, and I hope you were able to work that one out. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to make more of these videos, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.